Hello, this is Dr. Apollo. So, today we're going to be discussing the continuation of our lesson in finance and accounting. So, let's begin with. Today our topic is different branches of accounting. So, accounting is a very big subject. It has actually one course. It has many branches. So, continuing, accounting is often referred to as language of business. Sometimes they call it barometers, encompassing various specialized branches that serve different purposes. These branches have evolved to meet diverse financial, managerial, legal, and social needs of stakeholders. Each branch provides a unique perspective on financial information, contributing to better decision making, compliance, and performance evaluation. For the purpose of our session, is to identify different branches of accounting, is to understand how each caters to specific user needs, while all aim to record, analyze financial data, the different methodology, regulatory requirements, and audience. This classification ensures that businesses can handle financial information with precision, relevance, and compliance. Our main points here is number one, financial accounting, focus, recording, summarizing, and reporting financial transaction. Its audience is external stakeholders like investors, creditors, and regulators. Its output, financial statement, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. So managerial or management accounting, focus internal analysis for planning, controlling, and decision making. Its audience is internal management. Output, budget reports, cost analysis, and performance metrics. So cost accounting, by the way, managerial accounting, especially in the manufacturing, it tends to give lights to the performance. Cost accounting focus determining the cost of production services. Audience primarily internal production manager. Output cost sheets, marginal costing, standard costing reports. Tax accounting focus primarily preparing tax returns and planning tax strategy. Audience tax authorities and internal tax planners. Output tax filings, compliance reports, deferred tax plans. Auditing focus independent examination of financial records. Its audience is shareholders, regulatory bodies, accuracy and compliance. Web forensic accounting focuses investigating financial frauds and disputes. Its audience courts, legal firms, law enforcement, output litigation support, fraud detection reports. So we missed this forensic accounting actually in some curriculum. Government accounting focus on managing public funds and ensuring accountability in public sector. Audience, government authorities, and public. Output, budget reports, fund accounts, fiscal accountability report. When say fund accounts, so the revenue, how the how the revenue being disbursed, no? Budgeting also. So it's more on government, okay? Sometimes they call it governmental accounting. We've done profit accounting, so that's fund accounting. Focus tracking donations, grants, and restricted funds. Donation is being monitored, no? Because there is some anomaly. So they have to find out where the money is going, which packet it goes, no? Audience, donors, grants agencies, board members. The donors need to know where the demand disburse prudently, like that one. Output statement of activities, bank balances, and compliance with donors restrictions. We have also international accounting. So we'll be maybe this is the last topic, no? Then we will have a second part, no? International accounting focus managing accounting in multinational context using international standards. Its audience companies, international investors, and output. Output is the IFRS compliant financial statements. Okay, we will cut our discussion on this part. We will continue on the next segment. Thank you for having with me. I'll see you soon.